Start recording. Stop recording. Button.
Wouldn't this be hilarious if I used part of Super Nanny as a sound effect?
Yes. Yeah, honestly. my apartment was, it was shagged in, got stolen in, all my cricket cutter, everything was gone. So why did you take the job? Because I knew her.
These are probably older Judge episodes.
And I wanted to keep business going. I didn't want to stop business. So I tried to conquer the job. But it's just life. Things happen, things get in the way. It's just okay. So her mother went on the 31st, and you still weren't done. Then her mother went on the 3rd, and you still weren't done. She had to send a third person because I read your text to her where you said, "Hey, if I gotta drive all the way out there, I'm never gonna be done. That's gonna take too much time." So now she has
That's what I'm talking about.
to get to the party an hour and a half late.
Yeah.
You can't deliver, you can't fulfill your end of the contract, so she wants money back. So tell me how you didn't fulfill your end of the contract. I like that in the way. Yeah, food interruption. The question is, who does that cost? Why should she pay full price for this stuff when you didn't fulfill your end of the contract? No, and I also offered her to pay money back. I did offer. How much? About $200. How much money in total did you get from her? 950. About 953. And so you offered her 200 back. Let me ask you a question. Were there any youth size shirts for the kids for the party? Yeah. It was a lot of adult shirts that I was missing, and that was because the Amazon was just...
I don't see these boys going in a good direction.
Well, we only have that stinking thing.
I don't see a light at the end of the tunnel. You've got to stop being rude, or you're going to spend the day in your room. Super Nanny, you're our last resort. Please help us.
Bear with me, guys. I know things are out of balance right now, but I'm on my way.
That's funny.